Hello friends, in this video we will talk about basic concepts of software. In this video we will cover what is software and different type of software. First let's understand a very basic thing about hardware. Hardware devices need user instructions to function. हमारे जो हार्डवेयर है सीपीयू है, जब तक हम उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं देंगे तब तक वो वर्क नहीं कर सकता. सेकेंड वन इज a set of instructions that achieve a single outcome are called program or procedure. Third one is many programs function together to do a task, make a software. And categories of software we divided into three categories: system software, application software, and utility software. Let's see this chart and understand categories of software. Software is basically divided into three parts: system software, for example, Windows; application software, MS Word; and third one is utility software, for example, antivirus. And again, system software is divided into three parts: operating system, language processor, and device driver. Now we will talk about system software. Software required to run the hardware parts of the computer and other application software. Software की requirement क्यों होती है? To run the hardware and application software. Acts as interface between hardware and user applications. ये एक इंटरफेस हार्डवेयर और यूज़र एप्लीकेशन के बीच का एक इंटरफेस है. एक्चुअली इंटरफेस की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? क्योंकि ह्यूमन की जो अंडरस्टैंडेबल लैंग्वेज होती है और सीपीयू की अंडरस्टैंडेबल लैंग्वेज होती है, बोथ आर डिफरेंट. सो वी नीड अ इंटरफेस टू कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर. And system software converts all human instructions into machine understandable instructions. हमारा जो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर होता है वो जितने भी ह्यूमन इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं वो मशीन अंडरस्टैंडेबल इंस्ट्रक्शंस में कन्वर्ट करता है, 0 और 1 में. टाइप्स ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर: नंबर वन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, सेकेंड वन इज लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर, एंड थर्ड वन इज डिवाइस ड्राइवर्स. Operating system: system software responsible for functioning of all hardware parts. As you know, computer has got CPU, computer has got mouse, keyboard, printer, so many hardware parts. Operating system is required so that these hardware parts can function properly, they can follow our instructions. Operating system is always the first software that is loaded into the system when we switched on our computer. If our computer system does not have operating system, it will not work. Now we will talk about language processor. It converts all user instructions into machine understandable language. In terms of human machine interactions, language are of three types: machine level language, assembly level language, and third one is high level language. First of all, we will talk about machine level language, a string of zeros and ones that the machine can understand. जो हमारे 0 और 1 होते हैं जिसको मशीन ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं, उसे हम मशीन लेवल लैंग्वेज कहते हैं. असेंबली लेवल लैंग्वेज: a bit above that we have a small words that will tell the computer what to do instead of 0 and 1. High level language: it is similar to English language और ये मशीन पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं होती है. वी यूज कन्वर्टर फॉर कन्वर्टिंग हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज इनटू मशीन लेवल लैंग्वेज. Program written in high level programming language like Java, C++, etc. is called source code. Set of instructions in machine readable form is called object code or machine code. System software that converts source code to object code is called language processor. Three types of language processor: assembler, interpreter, compiler. First of all, we will talk about assembler. It converts assembly level program into machine level program. Interpreter: it converts high level programs into machine level program line by line. यहाँ पे एक बात पे फोकस ये करना है कि जो हमारा इंटरप्रेटर होता है वो मशीन लेवल प्रोग्राम में कन्वर्ट तो करता है बट लाइन बाय लाइन. If we talk about compiler, It converts high level programs into machine level लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम्स एट वन गो। एक ही टाइम में सारा ये हमारा कंपाइलर हाई लेवल प्रोग्राम्स को मशीन लेवल प्रोग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट कर देता है बजाय लाइन बाय लाइन। Let's understand about device driver. As the name suggests, device driver will take care of all the devices that are attached to the computer so that these devices will function properly. For example, printer, fax machine, etc. I told you just now, operating system is the software that handles all the devices. But what does device driver do? Operating system will interact with the device driver so that these devices will work properly. Application software, a software that performs a single task. For example, in painting, we can make only painting. In calculator, we can only calculations. Here are some commonly used application software: word processing, spreadsheet, presentation, database management, and multimedia tools. Now let's understand about utility software. Application software that assist system software in doing their work is called utility software. A cross between system software and application software. An example of utility software includes antivirus software, disk management tools, file management tools, compression tools, and backup tools.